Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into how to log into your Amazon account the simple way, so you can start shopping without any hassle. Welcome to our channel. Logging into your Amazon account might seem straightforward, but knowing the exact steps can save you time and frustration. Let's walk through the process step by step to ensure you can access your account easily and securely. Start by opening your preferred web browser. This could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other browser you commonly use. Once the browser is open, type www.amazon.com into the address bar and press enter. This will take you directly to Amazon's homepage. On the homepage, look to the top right corner, where you'll find the Sign In button. Click on it to open the login screen. Now you will see fields asking for your email or mobile phone number and your password. Type the email address or mobile number associated with your Amazon account. Carefully make sure there are no typos, then enter your password. Check that caps lock is off and input your password exactly as you said it. If you have trouble remembering your password, click on Forgot Your Password below the password box. This will guide you through a secure process to reset your password via your registered email or phone number. After you've entered your credentials correctly, click on the yellow Sign In button. If your details are accurate, you will be directed to your Amazon account dashboard, where you can browse, shop, check your orders, and manage settings. If you want to stay logged in on your device, simply check the Keep Me Signed In box before clicking the Sign In button. Also, remember to log out if you're using a public or shared device to protect your privacy. That's all there is to it. Logging into Amazon is quick and easy. Following these simple steps, you can now enjoy all the benefits your Amazon account offers.